Titan Tough. Introducing the newest member of the Titan series of truck mounts, the Titan 625. With purposeful design and a higher level performance. It's the perfect truck mount for cleaning and restoration companies who have higher levels of constant demand, longer hose runs, and can take advantage of dual wand cleaning. Performance that makes you want to get up and go to work every morning. Streamlined design and function that increases reliability and makes your workday simpler. No matter what the cleaning or restoration challenge, the Titan 625 delivers. Dual wand carpet cleaning, long hose pull residential and commercial carpet cleaning, pressure washing with full waste recovery capabilities, restorative cleaning of concrete, stone, and tile floors, or water extraction. The massive 38 horsepower Kohler Command Pro EFI air-cooled engine provides electronic fuel-injected fuel delivery and is EPA approved to deliver maximum power and cost-efficient performance. The Gardner Denver 408 rotary tri-lobe vacuum blower produces 500 plus CFM of airflow for faster drying and longer hose runs. The Tri-VX belt drive power delivery system allows for reduced space usage, gearing up power through pulleys, and absorbs mechanical vibration and takes up misalignments. Removable belts make for easy access maintenance. Proven max temp heat exchanger thermal accumulator fin and tube heat exchanger with heat boost. It provides for faster warm-up with an open design that maintains cleaning solution temperature up to 245 degrees Fahrenheit at intermittent carpet cleaning solution flow rate and over 180 degrees Fahrenheit under continuous high-pressure solution flow rate. The General Triplex Plunger high-pressure solution pump produces solution pressures up to 1200 psi with 4 gallons per minute of flow. The last step chemical injection system protects the equipment components. The streamlined design and function provides you with a clean and simple design. It's belt-driven, there's no diverter valve, and wiring has been minimized. The Titan 625 is dual-wand plumbed to double your productivity with massive vacuum performance to extend your cleaning reach and maximize productivity every day. And you get that same tough-as-nails Titan quality with more intuitive and easier to use panel directions and graphics for easier operation and maintenance. For more information, see your local HydroMaster distributor or visit www.hydromaster.com. Titan Tough.